everybody. So I can't go out on the water today. It is too windy, and therefore I decided that I am going to be the poster child for Pig Spit and show you how I use it with cleaning my truck. And you're gonna love this stuff. So check out my floor mats. They look terrible, and I don't know, yours might look a little better, a little worse after, you know, going through an entire winter, but I spent actually half my winter in the Florida Keys. So this is actually pretty good, but if you have floor mats like these, you know how hard they are to clean. So let's just, let me just go through this with you and show you the magic of Pig Spit. I cracked myself up. Okay, so the first thing we all do, of course, take our filthy, dirty mats out of the vehicle, sand and everything. So, yep, this is how this is gonna go. We're gonna let that dry. So this is how it looks after it's dried. Not too bad. I scrubbed it pretty good. I got actually all the dirt out, but it's still, you know, kind of looks shabby. It's not like it just came out of the box, but let me show you the magic of Pig Spit. If it doesn't blow away. It's windy out today. All right, so nothing over there to get sprayed with the wind. And this is all you do. Just, whoa, okay. Because it is windy, spray it closer. Here we go, so just like this. Just sprayed it on there. And get in that little spot right there. Get all those spots. Me not be in the way. All right. Let's see. Did I get it all? Pretty much. And that is it. So this is worn out pretty bad. That's not anything I could make better. But look at that. Like new. And it's a little damp still, just because I just sprayed it like 10 seconds ago. But I let that just dry up, and that's it. I can put that right back in the truck. Good as new. Let me show you where else I use this. For example, I just washed the truck, and look how it looks kind of gray, dingy. If you don't want to spray the whole truck, this is what I do. Is I'll just spray my rag. I then take my rag and just rub that. Look at how nice and shiny that is. And like this stuff, it's not going to just like all of a sudden dry and look just as bad as it did. I mean, that's it. That is it right there. Shiny. Yeah, so it's called Pig Spit. You can use it on just about anything that's black like that or dark color. Like even like the inside here, you know, this kind of stuff. You can use it in your boat, on your motorcycle, bicycle, you know, your wheels, well, tires, I mean. Yeah, so this stuff is awesome. And I have a link that you can go to if you would like to try some out for yourself. So there you have it. So I popped it back in there just for demonstration purposes, but I seriously need to vacuum. But there you go. That's how awesome that looks. Looks better than the rest of the truck right now.